Grabbing a takeaway at Chicken Spot.
Just arrived at Chicken Spot, Dagenham.
Just arrived, let's check them out. So follow me inside. Here we go. How you doing? I'm fine, thank you. Yourself? I'm fine. My name's Baj, by the way. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
You around there?
I'm new, yeah. I live locally. All my life, yeah.
Okay. Alright.
From Dagenham.
Okay. Alright. So what can I do?
Yeah, I just want to know what food choices in this fast food place you actually sell. You know, like treats or desserts, anything like that.
Desserts, we do milkshakes.
Yeah.
We do ice cream.
Yeah.
With the nuts, strawberry sauce, all the sauces in the cone and in the cup.
And what's the best choices for milkshakes?
For milkshakes, our popular milkshakes are the Kinder Bueno White,
Yeah.
Kinder Bueno Chocolate, Ferrero Rocher or Oreo. Or you can bring in your own chocolate, whatever you like, any kind of chocolate, and I can make it for you. So
Can you make, because I'm a fan of peanut butter or chocolate whey protein powder, can you mix that in together?
yeah, I can do that. Anytime, bring that in.
That's good to know, thank you. Because I'm going to actually have a little treat as well. I would like an ice cream if you do sell ice creams. What flavour ice creams do you actually do?
It's a normal vanilla.
Yeah.
We've got the chocolate sauce, strawberry sauce that we put over it, and the nuts and all that.
Seems tempting. I might have just a vanilla on its own.
Okay.
And also, what would you recommend for healthy choices for myself? If I'm going to just keep it healthy and nutrition, just for myself. What actually healthy food choices do you actually
We've got salads.
Yeah.
We've got salads. We've got fresh salad. We've got tikka salad, which is slightly spicy,
Yes.
but it's grilled, it's healthy. Or we've got lemon pepper, which is mild,
Right.
and it's grilled as well. Or we got the tikka wrap, which is slightly spicy again. Yeah, that's grilled. Lemon pepper, not spicy. That's grilled as well. That's healthy. Or we've got the tikka burger, which again is slightly spicy. Yeah, that's grilled. Or we've got the lemon pepper burger, which is on the grill as well. So they're all healthy. So what you gotta remember, the tikka is on the spicy side, the lemon pepper is on the mild side.
It's tempting. I've got some choices here.
But if you want something proper healthy, fresh salad, isn't it?
If I go for the salad, I fancy the salad with the tikka.
Yeah, tikka, right?
Yeah, I'll have that with the ice cream as a treat. Please.
Okay, that's fine. Are you gonna eat it or take away?
Take away, please.
Take away, no problem.
Thank you.
Tikka salad,
Thank you.
and your 4 vanilla ice cream. Yeah?
Thank you very much. Where can I actually search it? Okay, where can I actually find
You
it?
can Google us, Google us. Or we're on Uber Eats or Just Eat.
Just Eat.
Yeah, so if you want to go to our menu, go onto the website. Go onto the website and go to the menu there. If you want to order through them, they charge extra. Their prices are different from our shop prices. If you want to order from them, you can order from them or you can phone us. If we're free and I'm able to deliver to you your local, that's not a problem, I can deliver to you. As long as it's £15 minimum order for delivery, I can do that. Or you can come to the shop and collect. But you can Google us or find us on Uber Eats or Just Eat.
That's good to know. Thank you very much. Anyway, I think this is fine.
I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Take care, man.
And I'm going to enjoy this meal. I'm actually going to enjoy this when I get home, head home. Anyway, check out my next video. Take care.